I'm going to swipe it past you. Ready?
Uh-huh.
Hi, baby. Where are you?
You're
Yes.
on the beach, waiting on some rum punch.
Where are you?
Playa Mujeres, Mexico.
What's today?
The 13th of August, 2015.
All right.
Tomorrow's our 6-month anniversary, and 4 days ago was your birthday.
3 days ago.
My math's not so good right now.
Across the way is Isla Mujeres. Look at the water.